Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Altcoin Mentors YouTube channel. My name is Peter, and today I am very excited to announce our 2K 5X challenge. So someone on Twitter asked me how much could I make with a smaller size account. For the last 20 something years, I've been trading futures and Forex, and only within the last year have I been trading cryptos. I've done pretty well, but I've never really taken a challenge up like this to see how much I could turn a relatively small amount of money into something a little bit larger. So the challenge is to see how long it will take me to turn $2,000 into 10,000. So basically 5x. If you like our videos, please follow us on Twitter and on Telegram. We also have a model portfolio where you can also track the 2K5X challenge. So you can view all of our positions and the challenge as well. The link is down below. If you'd like to be notified of our latest videos, please hit the bell button. So let's start us off with where I opened up the account. So I opened the account on BitMEX. So I had a choice between BitMEX and Binance because I want to be able to short. The reason why I took out Bitfinex is that Bitfinex now has a $10,000 minimum. So I wanted to start off fresh for everyone who can try this. So for Binance, I didn't really like Tether, and I didn't really want the temptation to trade something else other than Bitcoin. So here, Bitcoin is attached to a perpetual contract with the USD. So it is something that I'm very familiar with, and I can go long and short, on this as well. So one of the parameters of the challenge is I start off with $2,000. So if you look at it here, you'll see that I deposited Bitcoin this morning. So I'll show you my transaction so you can see it. So early this morning, I put in 20th of a Bitcoin. So that turned out to be about $2,000. And then to show you my dollar amount, I actually put a short, basically just a one-time short. So I'm not really shorting. It's just basically a cash, a USD neutral on this. So that's basically at 1997. So this way you can find out where I am starting from. This way there is no cheating involved. So currently the price of Bitcoin is at 94.75. So right now, as you can see, I am not in Bitcoin. What I'm going to do is after I take this video, I'm going to wait for a nice entry point to make my first trade into Bitcoin. So let me show you our model portfolio and see what it looks like. You can see all of our past and current trades on here. They're mostly position trades and swing trades. So I do a lot of day trading for cryptos, but we don't really put this in here because it can inundate it. But for the 2K5X challenge, I'm going to be putting in my short-term trades, swing trades, etc., both long and short. So you can see here that today's date, funding was $2,000. And now we're going to see where this goes. So I'll show you what the charts for Bitcoin and XBT, which is the Bitcoin contract futures on BitMEX look like. They're very similar. So right now, Bitcoin is at 94.84. It's just above major resistance. It broke through 9,400. That's what I was calling for before. I was long in it since 82.03, and it was going a little bit higher. And then on XBT, it's very, very similar. So I couldn't copy it, over by over. All the candles are a little bit different. But I already started managing to draw my support and resistance lines. As you can see, I use the Heikin-Ashi. This is the daily candles. So this is the point where we're at now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scale it down into a smaller time frame. So most likely the 15-minute just to start off with, because I'm looking for a nice entry point. So basically, if I am beginning this trade right now and starting my challenge off the right way, what I would really like to do, what I'm hoping for, is that eventually that this thing here, right now it's at 94.77, comes back down to earth to right around major, now it's major support because it's kind of gone over. We'll see what happens in the next few hours. But if it lingers around here, what I'm waiting for is maybe a change of color or a bounce off of 9400, and then I want to be able to go long, because right now the swing trades, short-term trades, all of the signals I'm getting are all long, long, long. I'm not going to be shorting at this time, so that is the position that I'm taking up to the upside. So hope you're already enjoying this video. I'm very excited about this challenge. Please subscribe to our channel, and you can follow us on Twitter and on Telegram. If you have any questions, please write them in the comment section. We are very good about answering all of our questions and comments in a very fast period. Like I said, I am a day trader for futures and for Forex, so I'm usually always online. So I'm very excited to see this happen. I'm excited for the challenge. It's been a long time since I've done anything like this. Usually I'm trading larger lots, and so this will be a good way to show how techniques from technical analysis goes from one financial instrument to another. And all I'm looking for is volume and volatility. That's one of the reasons why I'm only going to be trading Bitcoin. Maybe in my next challenge, if it's successful, I have another idea about doing a larger portfolio challenge. Maybe something starting off with like 10 to 25,000, and see how long it'll take me to double it or quadruple it with a larger amount. But by spreading out the risk, going into large cap coins, mid cap, and small cap, that's generally what to do. But the point of this and the fun part of this is to see how fast I can turn a small amount, 2K, into 10K, 5X. So I hope that you're excited just as much as I am. Thank you very much for watching. If you like our videos, please share it with your friends and other crypto traders. Follow us on Twitter and on Telegram. And you can hit the links below to see our portfolio and to see our 2K 5X challenge up to date. Thank you, and see you in our next video.